up 3 minutes worth of trash?
No, to make a 3-minute video.
Oh, a 3-minute video
of picking up trash. I think TSP is part of the Pacific Bushcraft Consortium. So if you guys want to check them out, their videos, it's a group of people who, they're all bushcrafters and outdoorsmen, and it's kind of like a club. I'm not in the club, they didn't invite me yet, but maybe they will, I don't know. But anyway, they challenge folks who are outdoors people to go out and help clean up their area. So I'm gonna do that. I mean, I do that anyway, but I'm gonna go do some more of that.
Well, I need to
Look at this. It's a bag. This bag's gonna go in my bag.
Yeah, we left it on the screen.
Put it in the bag.
Not even sure.
Ow. Thorns. Awesome, Mike. Thanks.
America's oldest brewery.
Oh, really?
Ding, ding.
Oh, here's some more trash. Look at this. People go fishing and just leave their junk. It's ridiculous.
Yeah. How'd you get down here before?
This way? Oh, look at this. Well, I gotta film you picking it up.
This particular greenbrier ripped his clothes off of somebody.
Wow.
There.
It's pretty crazy. Oh, there's some trash. Neither of the kids saw it. Okay. That way. You found some?
Kiwi strawberry fruit juice cocktail. And
Careful. Smirnoff
Smirnoff
ice.
Yum.
Nice.
Yum.
All right.
Bold Rock.
Be careful.
Bold Rock pear.
Okay.
Getting better.
I like that.
Yeah.
But I wouldn't leave my trash in the woods. Guys, if you're out in the woods and you're having a drink, take your trash with you. Pack it in, pack it out, guys.
Here's a packing mom. Here's a bag.
Oh my gosh. Somebody left a bag.
From the look of this,
It looks like it washed down the river. Yeah.
All right.
Thanks, Mike. All right, let's go.
Let's roll or walk.
So we went hiking today, we went fishing today. We didn't catch anything, but we did get a bag full of trash over here at Mitchell Mills State Recreation Area. So, oh Mike, come here, here's another piece. We could probably spend hours doing this, but we've got to get going. So, here's our contribution to the PVC video. And guys, if you've got trash, take it with you.